you had the same house for a month and a half now, and yet you moved like crazy. So we solved your issue. Because you didn't have a problem with moving, you just had a problem with not being in the same house. So there you go. Crisis averted. Toot toot. And you're on a train. Can't get much better than that.
In Vermont, with my boys.
And your barn's not crooked.
Yeah, it's funny. Growing up, I always envisioned myself having kids, but I never envisioned myself having a daughter. Like, I've always clearly seen my oldest being a boy, and I've never envisioned myself having a daughter. I don't know why. Even in my dreams, like, I just always envisioned having boys.
Because daughters are all trouble.
Maybe that's it. I had too many problems with my cousins.
Yep, that's great.
And see, Florida, that would have alligators in it. And manatees.
Here it has bobcats, bears,
Lynx. Moose.
moose. Yep, moose. We saw a moose crossing. Not the actual moose, just the crossing. Alright, I think this might be the good video. Ooh, ending on a nice red tree.